Sky News went under the radar with this Ukrainian unit as they prepared a strike on Russian forces. It is rare to get this sort of access in Kherson's battlegrounds. The area is heavily restricted to journalists. What you're about to see is a Ukrainian drone attack, from surveillance to strike. This soldier is known by his call sign, Playboy. He's a drone pilot, and he's scouting out where best to attack Russian invaders.
At the moment we are checking the Russian positions. We have a target from our command. You can see the Russians over here.
They're exposed and in the line of fire. They need to work fast. They are just a few kilometers from enemy lines, near to Davidiv Brid.
Here is Russians. Here is he going to the trench. You see?
Yep. These blocky images on his monitor are Russian soldiers. They are taking huge risks. Russians also have drones, so if they make a mistake, they'll easily be spotted. This is dangerous work, but without this eye in the sky, Ukraine's artillery crews would be firing blind. Further back from the front line are troops from the same unit.
We do close reconnaissance, so basically like a forward observer. We sneak into enemy locations.
So you're getting close enough to see Russian positions with your eyes?
Yes.
This is a volunteer platoon called Carlson, and it includes some foreign soldiers.
I don't like bullies, and it just didn't sit right with me when I seen it on the news kicking off.
They load the ammunition. The launch position is primed and ready before the artillery is wheeled into place. The firing needs to be done at speed. There is no time to hang around. These drone images show the impact. It's hoped the damage to these defences will force the Russians back. And even before the smoke clears, the Ukrainian artillery team are making their escape. They need to clear the area. They're vulnerable now to a rapid counter-strike. This fight is a clash of nerve and firepower. For the moment, on this perilous frontier, Ukraine appears to be winning. With winter descending, the fight for the city of Kherson is becoming more savage, and Ukraine is eager to take advantage of its momentum before the weather changes.